Welcome to Shiny Colors, everyone. Let's learn and explore this lesson today. So let's quickly draw. Minimum drawing, not much. A little bit background and then the boat. Just keep remember the perspective of the boat. Just minimum drawing. Okay. Now we'll start the coloring. So I have taken the yellow color first. Okay. And then the yellow means lemon yellow. Now I am using a little deep yellow. And accordingly I am adding the colors. The orange, and the blue. Just make sure that blue and orange will not connect properly, otherwise the color will go a little dirty. So just remember that it has to blend with the water only. Now I'm using little burnt sienna and little black as well for the clouds. Now because sun is down, so we need to make the dark color of the clouds on the top, because the light is coming through the sun on the down part of the clouds. Add little blue on that. And little orange also all around the sun. Gradually just try to improvise the shape of the clouds, and a little bit they have to connect also with the sky, and sometime they are connected with each other as well. So you need to remember that as well, and you need to just soften the edges around the sun. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just trying to improvise the cloud shape so that the final result will not look broken or loose. It should look proper cloud and shape, right? You have to take the decision on your picture. Sometime it doesn't come exactly if you are following, and if you are following, what difficulty you are getting making that type of natural clouds, please let me know. You can mail me at art.shinycolors@gmail.com. Mail id is given in the caption. And some small clouds as well. Now we will start with the water. So we need to leave the reflection of the sun in the water. So keep the paper like the same way we kept the paper white for the sun, the same way we need to keep the paper white for the water the sun reflection in the water as well. Okay. Now carefully, the same way we mixed blue with orange on the sky, same way we will mix on the water as well. Remember, both the colors should be separate. They have to just blend with the water only. Now we need to give little wavy effect. The color that I am using, that is ultramarine color. A little bit cobalt turquoise I am using, just to give a little warm effect of the sun that is there on the sky, and in the water that will just turn the little bluish effect. On the sky also I'm just adding little cobalt turquoise so that it will match. Otherwise the sky was looking little more cool and the water was looking little warm. So now it is matching. So this decision you need to take according to your picture. Now I am coloring the boat. Now I use the burnt sienna and little black color. Burnt sienna in the beginning, little transparent color, and then I use little dark color so that the shadow will come, and adding more detail like the figures and little bit more sail and other poles are there, so we'll do that. Take very thin brush for making those wires or the ropes. They are tied around the pole. Just keep the perspective correct when you make the boat. It should not look it is floating or it is flowing down kind of thing. Now make the a reflection that is coming on the water. See how beautiful it is coming. Lovely. So the drawing part should be proper when you make the boat, then it will come perfect. Due to the ripples, the boat reflection will come little more down, so we will make that as well. Hope you are liking my videos that I am posting every week. Please do like and share with your friends and family if they are also interested in art. Please hit the bell icon as well so that you will get the notification when I upload the new video. Please do comment if you like and if you feel any difficulty following the lesson. Please do follow and share the picture with me. I am available on Insta as well. My Insta handle is artist_Rashmi Soni. You can message me there. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, subscribe the channel, and I will see you in the next lesson.